in year one, as we were kind of rolling this out, I think our focus really was about, let's build capacity in our school leadership, build capacity and understanding of some of our, whether it's our learning coaches or coordinators, early learning coordinator or student services director. But I think our first focus was, okay, well, this is kind of a school thing. And then as time went on, you started to realize, okay, well, this isn't just about schools. This is about systemic processes that really we can incorporate and adopt at all levels. So as we included the right people at the table, I think they themselves started to say, hey, you know what, like this could work for me as an early learning coordinator. And Nicole is our director of student services going, well, hey, this works for me too. And I can create alignment so that it doesn't really matter which school I go to. They see similar processes, they have similar language, that, again, that continuity or that coherence of, well, we do something different and we call it something different, but we've asked you to call it all the same. So it's really modeling it. And then, eventually it was, okay, well, at the leadership table when we're having a min-council, like we're all coming with key issues, but we all have different key issues based on our context, but there's expertise in the room. So should we try this? And, we used to call it peer coaching time. So there was a little bit of a foundation of us sitting together, posing problems and having those coaching conversations, whether that was a problem-solving problem or kind of a preparation of, I need to have this conversation with somebody, help me prepare for it. But, so it was easy to kind of build on that. But the shift to a CTM approach, it was actually pretty streamlined because our leaders have been doing that same work. And so the timing, I don't think it would have necessarily been as readily adopted had we done that right off the start. I think we needed to realize that as time went on, we needed to model it, but it also made sense to implement it because it had such value at multiple levels in the system.